Welcome back. KB Home is higher today. RBC has upgraded the stock to outperform. There it is, up 2.5%. Doc, I'm coming to you on this, okay? Price target goes to, because you've been talking a lot about housing. You've been bullish housing. Price target to 30 from 25. They like the pricing dynamics with this particular company. They say early signs of recovery in the key Western markets. They like margins for the builders overall, potentially being better than feared.
Yep. We talked about this with Steve Leisman yesterday. When we say those economic indicators, and it's employment, it's inflation, it's housing, it's consumer confidence and spending, well, obviously this hits several of those, and several of them extremely positive for the home builders right here because of the interest rate dip that we've seen. I mean, you just compare it over 3 months ago, over 6 months ago. This should be a great time for those folks, and indeed, that's what this particular analyst is saying. It's going to get better.
I mean, almost no one is talking about these stocks. I know you have talked about the sector.
For weeks he's been talking about these, though. Honestly.
Do you guys know the gains year to date for the home building stocks that get no love?
No love.
KBH. Anybody know what that's up year to date? 44%. 44.
Yeah, but
Lennar,
Scott,
39.
It was down 50
I know,
last year.
but still. Lennar, 39. Horton, 29. Pulte, 25. Toll, 20. The XHB has done great.
I own Lennar. I do not own KB, but I own Lennar and stock. And what I like about it is it gives you the opportunity to do exactly what we talk about all the time, take advantage of a situation. You can own Lennar, you can sell some upside calls. When you look at what's going on in the housing, when you see some of these rates coming down the way they are, Scott, and this analyst, the biggest thing that stands out is pricing power. Yes, that checks the box. And the fact that they see margins going up in the second half, the way they can shift things around. That tells me something more about this is not over for the housing market yet. Now, obviously, we're all going to look at rates and we're going to stare at that 10-year and everything else and just look at all the different rates. But right now, they are in the sweet spot for what they're doing.
Look, to Quint's point, and it's a good one, they're still not back at their 52-week highs, but they're not all that far away either.
You have to get selective. We like MDC Holdings. We have a position there, goes under the brand Richmond American Homes. And what I like about this, as opposed to the KBH, is trading about the same forward times earnings, decent dividend, but it's got a better debt-to-equity ratio, so it's got a better balance sheet. So MDC is my pick.
Okay.